Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing steam.api.dll file is missing, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the browser and search here steam API 64DLL and search and go to the first link and scroll down and go to the architecture 64 and download this file. Download this. After downloading this file, click on the locations and right click on it and extract all file. Select the location and extract. Now right click on this file and copy this and click on the Windows C drive and go to the Windows, click on it and scroll down and go to the system 32, click on it and right click on it and paste. Continue. Once do it, back and go to the sysword 64, click on it and paste here also, and you can see this file. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is process, then next is go to the search bar and search here setting. Now go to the privacy and security. Now click on the Windows security and click on the virus and threat protection and click on the threat protection history. From here you can restore the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.